wonder why an old coffee maker won't do faster than any other? Well, that's because you don't have this coffee maker. It is a perfect coffee maker that will show the coffee line and has a knife that will cut, and the bottom is retractable. So it has buttons that will allow you to choose the kind of cup. You have settings for a small cup, a big cup, or a mug. So, if you want any of these, then you can use this coffee maker. And it tastes really good.